Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. Dear friends, in this part of JavaScript tutorial, I will talk about comments and JavaScript. If you watch this video till the end, then you will learn how to use or pass comment and JavaScript. Second, you will learn about usage of comment and JavaScript. It means that you will learn for what purpose comments are used in JavaScript. First, let us see how to use comment and JavaScript. In fact, there are two ways to pass comment and JavaScript. First way is called single line commenting. Second way is called multi-line commenting. Single line commenting is started by double forward slash and multi-line commenting is started by forward slash followed by star and ended by star followed by forward slash. Now let us practically see how we can pass single and multi-line comment and JavaScript. First, let us see how can we pass single line comment. As I have said earlier, for passing single line comment and JavaScript, we need to start by double forward slash. This is the starting of while loop. Now let us save the file and see is it affects the result of program or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, it didn't affect the result of a program. That is because comments are ignored by web browsers. Now let us see how can we pass multi-line comment. As I have said earlier, for passing multi-line comment, we need to start by forward slash followed by star. And also, when passing multi-line comment, we need to end the comment by star followed by forward slash. Star sign followed by forward slash. Now let us save the file and see is it affects the result of a program or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, it didn't affect the result of a program. Okay guys, these were two ways of commenting in JavaScript. Now let us see for what purpose comments are used. First, JavaScript comment can be used to explain JavaScript code and make code more readable. Second, JavaScript comment can also be used to prevent execution of code when testing alternative code. Okay guys, this was the explanation and example of commenting in JavaScript. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.